Everyone along the way is returning back to Nako. We are currently without running water and electricity, and we have no other option than to wait till we get further instructions from BRO. So we have come back to the hotel where we had breakfast in the morning and checked in. Hey guys, good evening. We are still in Nako. It has been 28 hours since we have been stuck here due to landslide up ahead. Still there is no any idea when that landslide will get cleared. Fingers crossed. We just had gone there around 2 hours back to assess the situation, and it looked like the landslide had been cleared almost 30 to 40%, but still the major portion was remaining. Almost all the people who came from Kaza are halted here because this is the only way to go ahead. There is no any another route, so that's why people are just waiting and hoping that the road will get clear soon. I had a flight to catch tomorrow around 11:30, so looks like I have to cancel it tonight or tomorrow early morning. The flight was at 11:30 and we are still long way from Chandigarh, so I will cancel the flight evening or tomorrow early morning, and again I have to reschedule, but I won't be rescheduling my flight until the roadblock gets cleared. After that only I'll be having clarity as to when I'll be reaching Chandigarh. So guys, that's it for now. 2 days we have been enjoying the Nako scenery. While going towards Kaza, we missed this place as we had not counted this in our itinerary. We planned to visit the Nako monastery, but since we have time now, we are going to visit if the road doesn't get cleared today, so we'll be visiting Nako monastery. So that's the thing, and that's it guys. Nako is pretty much at very height, around 14,500, so it gets very cold in the night. That's the thing, and let's see, the sun is almost ready to go down behind the mountains. It's 5 p.m. right now, so around 6:15 the sun will go and it will soon start to get dark. So that's the thing. So if the roadblock doesn't get cleared by today, then it won't be cleared until tomorrow afternoon. So if that thing happens, then maybe tomorrow we'll try to reach Kalpa. That is only thing manageable in distance. So from Kalpa then we have to stretch ourselves to Chandigarh. That's the thing. So 2 plans out there. If it gets cleared by now, we'll be reaching Poo. That's before it gets dark, and if it doesn't, then sure it won't get clear by tomorrow first half. So if that happens, then we'll be reaching Kalpa tomorrow day end, and after that directly towards Chandigarh. So that's it guys, have a good day, and we'll enjoy the cold weather of Nako, and soon we'll be visiting Nako monastery. So I'll just take you around the view from our hotel. So some of the mountains, all the snow has been melted, and some snow is just about to melt. So in another 2-3 days it will be completely brown. So that's the mountain at the back where very little snow is remaining, and yeah, that mountain still it is completely white. So that's the situation from Nako, guys. So bye until when we meet again. So once we start from here, I'll again update you guys about our travel. So until then, bye and have a good day. Guys, so we have come back to the hotel after checking the progress on the landslide, and we have these people here who I think are playing some form of the Ludo game. So these many people were stuck along with us in the landslide, all coming in from the different places and having different backgrounds. So in the end we decided to call ourselves the landsliders and even made WhatsApp group to communicate with each other afterwards.
एक बार रूम चेक कर लिया ना.
So the landsliders have mutually decided to move into a common hotel. We have entered the main Nako village and the hotel is right in front of us.
कहाँ पे? इधर ही. कैसा था? एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा था? अच्छा था? बढ़िया. रूम बहुत बड़े बड़े. तो हमारा रूम था ना तो बहुत. तो गाड़ी कहाँ लगाएंगे हम? गाड़ी हमने अंदर रखी.
Looking for a safe parking so that we can park our bikes.